Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to share some of my new favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. So right now I have my NYX brown lip liner and I am lining my lips, so I kind of like to take my time with this and make sure that I get a nice line around my lips. I always use the brown pencil because it's a nice match to the natural line that I have around my lips, so it keeps my lip looks pretty natural looking. So the first one is called Saint Tropez, and I love this one. It's so pretty. It's this beautiful, beautiful mauvish pink, and it has wonderful kind of gold tone to it, so you can kind of see that quality as you see me applying it. So far I've loved wearing this with looks where I've had tinted moisturizer on and just kind of dewy, very soft makeup looks. And this is something that a color that I know I'm going to be wearing a lot this year. It's really kind of refreshed my whole look. So I've been grabbing this one quite a bit. I love that little bit of, shimmer you get of that gold peeking out. But then when you look at it, you still see that pink shining through. It's like a combination of two of my favorite colors. So the great thing about Anastasia Beverly Hills is that you can really build up the coverage when you layer it, which is great. The second one is called Date Night Lip Gloss, and I've had this one for a little while. The first one that I showed in the last one in the video are new, but this one I've had for a little while, and I love this one so much. I just had to show it off. It's like a dark, kind of not a dark, but like a fuchsia, but then it kind of looks like a red, like it'll fool you. It's a red fuchsia kind of shade with a beautiful, beautiful shimmer to it. And I love this one so much, but unfortunately, I just found out that they do not make this one anymore. But I did find a really good comparison product. Urban Decay has a Vice lipstick called 69, and it's a cream lipstick, and apparently when I compared them, they're actually really close. So when I run out of this lip gloss, I may end up picking up that lipstick from Urban Decay because I love this shade, red and pink together, but then kind of fooling you because you don't know which one you're looking at, depending on how the light hits it, is wonderful for me, because those are two of my favorite colors. So the last one that I'm going to test today is actually called Maple. And that's kind of a different one for me. I typically tend to go with a lot of nudes and pinks and reds, but when I saw this one, it really caught my eye and it really made me want to pick it up. So this one is kind of like a reddish brown, which also again has like this very subtle metallic finish to it. I know when I put it on, it's kind of a little vampy to me, just kind of like towards that kind of look. Like I said, which makes it a little different for me, but it's a nice one, I feel, to keep in your collection to kind of switch things up if that's something that you tend to not wear a lot. Or if you do like brown colors or like darker reds, I think this one is really good because it's just different. Anastasia Beverly Hills never disappoints, and here's all three of them together. Make sure to pick one of them up if you like them, and don't hesitate to subscribe and check me out for some of my videos I have coming up. Take care. Bye.